today we are going to see chapter number 2, that is final account of a partnership of standard 12 commerce subject account. So this is the third part of the chapter number 2, and today we are going to see how to prepare profit and loss account. In our last video we have seen how to prepare trading account. So after preparing trading account, whatever gross loss or gross profit is there, that is supposed to be carried forward to the profit and loss account. If there is a gross profit, that will be on the credit side of the profit and loss account, and if there is a gross loss, that will be taken to the debit side of the profit and loss account. So here, after writing gross loss or gross profit, then we have to debited 4 type of expenses to the profit and loss account, and then on the credit side we are going to write all the income of the business. So let's see profit and loss account. Okay, now let's see profit and loss account. So here, to ascertain net profit or net loss, we are preparing profit and loss account. So at the debit of profit and loss account, gross loss transfer from the trading account will be written very first. Then all the expense related to administrative will be debited to the profit and loss account, and afterwards the other expenses are selling and distribution expenses, and then financial expenses are also debited to profit and loss account, and lastly all other expenses and losses will be debited to the profit and loss account. And afterwards on the credit side of the profit and loss account, very first thing we are going to write will be gross profit, which is transferred from the trading account will be written. Afterwards all the income of the business like interest received, rent received, then the other income is a commission received, dividend, brokerage, bad debt return, and other income are credited to the profit and loss account. And afterwards the total of the credit side, if it is more than the total of the debit side, it is considered as a net profit of the partnership firm. Then that is supposed to be transferred to the credit side of the profit and loss appropriation account. But if the total of the debit side is more than the total of the credit side, it will be considered as a net loss, and net loss will be transferred to the debit side of the profit and loss appropriation account. So this is how we have to prepare profit and loss account. Let's see with the help of specimen. Specimen of profit and loss account. So here on the heading we have to write profit and loss account for the partnership firm for the year ending, whatever is there that we supposed to write it. And here on the debit side, very first thing is given to us is a gross loss, that is transferred from the trading account. Then on the debit side, very first expenses is a administrative expense. The example of administrative expenses are trading expense, salary, allowance, bonus, etc. Then there is a rent expense, insurance premium, taxes, postage, printing and stationery, then legal charges, audit fee, electricity expense, and contribution to provident fund. So these are the administrative expenses. Then the other heading of the expenses is sales and distribution expenses, where very first is a carriage outward, then salesman salary or commission, then advertisement expense, then discount allowed, then discount reserve, and expense of showroom, go down expense, and packing expense. So these are the example of selling and distribution expense. Now the other heading is a financial expense, where very first is a interest on partners loan, interest on bank overdraft, interest on borrowed loan, bank charges, commission, and managers commission. So these are the financial expenses. And last heading is a other expenses or losses, where very first is a donation expense, then the asset depreciation, then bad debts and adjustment of bad debt, then bad debt reserve of adjustment, and afterward there is a loss due to fire, loss due to theft, loss on sale of asset, and then the last thing is a provision for expenses or loss. So these are the expenses that supposed to be debited to profit and loss account. Now let's come to the credit side of the profit and loss account, where very first thing is a gross profit that is transferred from the trading account. Then all the other income that are in the business. The example of that is a discount received, rent received, commission received, brokerage received, consignment commission received, then interest on investment, interest on loan lent, bad debt return, profit on sale of asset and sale of old newspaper, income from scrap and sundry income. So this is how this is supposed to be written on the credit side. If the total of the credit side is more, that will be net profit, and that's supposed to be written on the debit side. If the total of the debit side is more, that's supposed to be written on the credit side, and it is a net loss. So net loss will be transferred on the debit side of the profit and loss appropriation account. Net profit is supposed to be transferred on the credit side of the profit and loss appropriation account. So this is how we have to prepare profit and loss account. After preparing profit and loss account, we have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. That we will see in our next video. So you have to write the specimen of the profit and loss account that is given in the video. Thank you students for watching this video.